Hi students, myself Dr. M. D. Salim of Vivekananda College. Today I will discuss redox reaction. First, we know what is mean by redox reaction. Redox reactions are the reactions. Redox reactions are the are those reactions where both oxidation and reduction reaction occur. Reduction reaction occurs. For example, reaction between ferrous sulfate and potassium dichromate in acid medium, acidic medium. Number 2, reaction between chlorine and what concentrated NaOH. So what is mean by oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction, a reaction where electron is released. So this is the process where electron is released. According to modern theory, a reaction where electron is released is known as oxidation reaction. Now what is mean by reduction reaction? Reduction reaction, a reaction where electron is gained is known as reduction reaction. Now if a reaction where both oxidation and reduction reaction occurs are known as redox reaction. Both oxidation process and reduction process occurs. Reduction process are present is known as redox reaction. So now how to balance a redox reaction? For balancing a chemical equation, here we take some example. Number 1, ferrous sulfate reacts with K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate in acid medium H2SO4. We get ferric sulfate Fe2SO4 whole 3, chromium sulfate Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Okay. Now how to balance this? First this equation is converted into in ionic form. In ionic form. So here oxidation number of iron is +2. Here oxidation number of iron is +3. Here oxidation number of chromium is +6. Here oxidation number of chromium is +3. So first we separate this equation. First we separate this equation. First we separate this equation. So number 1 equation will be, if we separate this equation, iron 2 plus 2, iron 3 plus. This is number 1. And number 2 is Cr272 minus is converted into Cr3 plus. This is 2Cr3 plus, equation 2. Okay. Now we balance these two equations by following some rules. First rule, rule A. Oxygen is balanced by equal number of water molecule in opposite side. Number B, hydrogen is balanced by equal number of H plus ion in opposite side. If basic medium is present, all the H plus ions are replaced by OH minus ions in both sides of equation. Number D, the number of electrons are equalized by cross multiplication. Number E, add both the oxidation and reduction equation, and finally we get balanced chemical equation. Now if we start with equation 1, iron 2 plus is converted into iron 3 plus. So here in the both side no oxygen atoms are there. So difference of oxygen atom, this rule is not applicable. Again, there is no difference of hydrogen atom. So rule B is also applicable. So third rule, charge balance, charge balance, charge balance by electron. So left side there are 2 positive charge, the right side 3 positive charge. So there is a difference of 1 charge. So this charge is balanced by adding 1 electron in the left side, 1 electron in the, no, sorry, as iron 2 plus is converted to iron 3 plus. So the process is oxidation. So here electron is removed. So Fe2 plus minus 1 electron will be Fe3 plus. Next equation, Cr2O72 minus 2Cr3 plus. So here number of oxygen atom difference is 7. So in the right side 7 water molecule will be added. So total number of hydrogen atom will be 14, 7 into 2 14. So in the right side 14H plus will be added. Now charge balance, here minus 2 charge, here plus 14 charge. So total charge will be 12 in the left side. In the right side 2 into plus 3 charge. This is for plus 3 multiplied by 2, and so it becomes plus 6 charge. Again we repeat, minus 2 charge here, plus 14 charge here due to the presence of 14H plus. So total will be 14, here minus 2. So plus 14 minus 2 will be plus 12. Here 2 into chromium 3 plus, here 3 plus is charge, 2, 3 into 2, that means 6. So charge difference is 6. So this charge difference is balanced by adding 6 electron, because electrons are negatively charged. So minus 6 electron means minus 6. So total will be plus 6. So left side, right side charge is balanced. So we get equation chromium 2 dichromate 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron arrow sign 2 chromium 3 plus 7H2O. This is number 4 equation. Now we have to see the number of electron, here 6, here number of electron is 1. So this equation is multiplied by 6, and this equation is multiplied by 1. So we get 6 Fe2 plus 6 Fe2 plus 6 Fe2 plus minus 6 electron arrow sign 6 Fe3 plus. Here chromium dichromate 2 minus 14H plus 6 electron, we get 2 chromium 3 plus and 7H2O. So if we add these two equations, we get, so this 6 minus electron, 6 plus electron is cut. So 6 Fe2 plus adding Cr2O72 minus plus 14H plus, this will be equals to 6Fe3 plus and 2Cr3 plus and 7H2. So this is the balanced redox reaction in acidic medium. Now, if we take an example of basic medium, when chlorine gas is passed through hot concentrated NaOH, then it converted into NaCl and NaClO3 and H2O. NaClO3 and H2O. So as NaOH is present, so it is basic medium. So we separate this equation by one oxidation reaction, other is redox reaction. First one, chlorine, from chlorine it converted into Cl minus, this is equation 1. Equation 2, so this equation 1, equation 2 will be another chlorine atom is converted into ClO3 minus, this is equation 2. Now, starting from equation 1, chlorine accept one electron to get Cl minus. Equation 3, this process is known as reduction. This process is known as reduction, as electron is added here, so the process is known as reduction. Again, equation 2, chlorine is converted into ClO3 minus. So left side no oxygen atom is there, right side 3 oxygen atoms are there. So in the left side 3 water molecule will be added. Okay. Now hydrogen is balanced by equal number of H plus ion in the opposite side. So 3 into 6, 3 into 2, that is 6 H plus will be added in the right side. As the medium is basic, so we have to neutralize this 6 H plus ion, and this 6 H plus ion is neutralized by adding equal number of OH minus ion in both sides. So in the right side we add 6 OH minus and left side we add 6 OH minus. So combining these two we get 6 H2 water molecule. So the equation becomes Cl plus 3H2O plus 6OH minus arrow sign ClO3 minus plus 6H2O. In right side 6H2O, left side 3H2O. So if you transfer in the right hand side, it becomes total 3H2O. So Cl plus 6OH minus converted into ClO3 plus 3H2O. So this is equation number 4. Now here charge is 0, here charge is minus 6. As OH has charge minus 1, so 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Here charge is minus 1, here minus 1 is there. So 5 electrons, so difference is 5, so 5 electrons are released. So 5 into minus 1 becomes plus 5, so it becomes minus 1. So as electron is removed in the process, so this reaction is oxidation reaction. Now here electron is transferred is 5, so it is multiplied by 1. Here electron is electron here electron is released is added is 1, so it multiplied by 5. Okay. Then we get 5Cl 5Cl plus 5 electron 5Cl minus. Okay, here Cl plus 6OH minus 5 electron, we get ClO3 minus plus 3H2O. Now adding this equation, so this 5 electron is cut, so 5Cl and 1Cl, here 5Cl, here 1Cl, total is 6Cl. 6Cl means 3Cl2, here 6OH minus, then we get 5Cl minus, ClO3 minus 3H2O. So this is the redox reaction balance equation in acid medium. So now practice some other chemical equation. Thank you.